Hey guys, so today I'll be talking about Track Lite by Titan. So Track Lite is a performance gear by Titan which tracks your workout intensity, counts your every step and calculates your burn. So let's get started. This is how the packaging looks like. It comes in a black sturdy box like this, and what I find really interesting about the box is that they have inscribed some coordinates over here. Also, they have written a very nice line over here which says, find the adventure you seek at these coordinates, look inside the box to know more. Alright, so the box comes with two items, that is the watch, the Track Lite, and also the chest strap, as you can see over here. And I'll just show you the watch, how the watch looks like. Track Lite comes in 4 color variants, that is red, orange, yellow and green. As you can see, I have received the green variant. I like the design of the watch, how well equipped and how sporty it looks. Also, the design of the strap looks excellent. They also have a Q over here inscribed, which shows how sporty the watch looks like. So the second thing which comes with the box is the chest strap, as you can see over here. So this chest strap is basically to monitor your heart rate. Let me just open it for you guys. So coming into the features of the watch is equipped with 4 buttons, as you can see. That is the reset button, the mode, start, stop and light. So the mode button, we can trigger various functionalities of the watch like stopwatch, heart rate monitoring, recording, information, timer, alarm, dwell time and pacer. So the initially displayed mode on the watch is the timekeeping mode, as you can see. This also shows in a 12-hour and a 24-hour format. So to toggle between them, you just have to press the start stop button over here. So this is 24-hour format and this is 12-hour format. I also like how effortlessly and efficiently all the initials are displayed on the watch. Like for example, the day of the week, the time and the date. So one tap on the mode button, you will land on the stopwatch, as you can see over here. So the stopwatch follows all the regular protocols like start and stop button over here. Alright, so another great functionality of this watch with the stopwatch is the split timing and the lap timing. Let me just tell you guys how it works. So split timing basically measures your time intervals in ranges of split. So if I have to start the stopwatch, I'll just press start over here. This started the stopwatch. Now, if I have to measure the first split time, I just have to press the first reset button over here. Split timing 1 got measured. This is the split timing 2. So we recorded 8 split timings over here. Now, if you're wondering how I can get my recorded data, all you have to do is press on the mode button over here. You will land onto the lap. One more press on the reset button, you will get onto the split page. So I think the heart rate monitor is by far the best functionality of this watch. I wanted to share with you guys how it works. So with the heart rate monitor, the first thing you will need is the chest strap. So once you have the chest strap with you, just wear it across your chest, as you can see. The heart rate monitor comes with 4 heart rate zones: HZ 1, HZ 2, HZ 3 and HZ 4. So HZ 1 is specifically for light intensity workouts, HZ 2 is for moderate intensity workouts, HZ 3 is for heavy workouts and HZ 4 is a user-defined intensity. We will be talking about it a little later. So the first 3 settings of the watch are predefined, but the last setting, that's the HZ4 one, is the really interesting one. This is because you can customize it according to your needs. That is, you can set the hour of your workout and also the maximum percentage and the minimum percentage of your heart rate. So one more really interesting feature of this watch which I found is that the data can be recorded. All you have to do is press on the D button before you start your workout in any of the heart rate zones. Automatically the data gets recorded in the record sessions, which is in the next mode, as you can see. R01, which you can see over here, is your first record of your first workout. So this gadget can store about 25 recordings of all your workouts. Once you're done with your 25 recordings, you can delete the recordings accordingly. Also, the next great feature of this watch which I found is the information setting. In this setting, the watch will let you store all your information like gender, height, weight, etc. And the best feature is that once you store all your information like gender, height, weight, the watch will automatically calculate your BMI. that is body mass index. Isn't that great? This watch is also equipped with the countdown timer. So it has 4 different alarm settings, dual time and a pacer. And I think pacer is a really interesting functionality. To set the pacer, all you have to do is long press on the reset button. The button on the right side will help you increase or decrease the pacer settings from about 10 to 300. And there you go, you can automatically set your pacer. This is all I had to explain about this cool dynamic sporty watch by Titan. Hope you enjoyed the video.